And this is in random order.
Arranged randomly. Alright. Ladies, are you ready?
Hold your breath. Ladies and gentlemen, the first spot of our top 8 belongs to you. This Bloody Dead.
And of course, another spot is reserved for you, Miss San Juan! Woo!
Buhay ang mga taga-San
Biglang kumaway.
Juan. Congratulations. Your dream to become our Mutyan ng Aborlan 2024 is not yet over because the third spot belongs to you. Congratulations to Miss Poblacion. Nasa na supporter niyo, Miss Poblacion? Ayun, John!
Ayan.
Woo! Malala si ST yan.
Yes, Kaden.
ST ba yan? ST ah?
Alright. You are one step closer to the ground. This spot belongs to you, Miss Tikman!
There you go. You also belong to our top 8. Ladies, congratulations to Miss Apo Apo.
And you have this big chance to be our crowned queen tonight. Congratulations, because you belong to the top 8. Kapitan! Woo!
Nasa naman ang kabigan over there. Six ladies here in front of us.
That's two spots.
Ready to pick their spot on top 8.
Yeah.
And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, 10 more ladies are still praying and hoping that their barangay will be called for the 7th spot tonight. And that spot belongs to you, Iraan! Ayan, yung mga taga-Iraan ba?
Oo, sila. Sila kanina, oo. The Rufen. So we have, ilan ba yan?
9.
16 minus
9.
Alright, so we only have